You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video I'll show you how to add bookmarks on Google Chrome for Android. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Navigate to the web page that you want to save for later. Once you're on that page, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, tap the star icon. That's the option to bookmark the page. After tapping the star, you'll see a message confirming that the bookmark has been added. If you want, you can immediately tap Edit to rename the bookmark or select a different folder to save it in. This is useful if you have multiple folders and want to stay organized. To access your saved bookmarks later, tap the three-dot menu again and select Bookmarks. From here, you can open any saved link. If you want to reorganize or delete bookmarks, just long press on the one you want to change, and you'll see more options appear. It's a simple and efficient way to manage your favorite sites on Chrome. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more easy and useful Android tips. See you later.